In today's rapidly evolving world, the demand for safe, reliable, and efficient energy solutions has never been greater. Enter Eaton, a powerhouse in the realm of intelligent power management and innovation. With a presence in over 170 countries and annual sales exceeding $23.2 billion, Eaton is a trusted partner for industries, businesses, and critical infrastructure worldwide. Since 1897, Eaton's Krauss-Heinz series and B-Line series products have been enhancing safety, reliability, and efficiency for our customers with developments in productivity and labor savings, energy savings, and embedded intelligence. From our invention of the conduit outlet body in 1906 to the introduction of our first intelligent hazardous area LED light fixture in 2024, our teams are committed to delivering solutions that lower our customers' total cost of ownership without ever sacrificing safety. Today, the Krauss-Heinz and B-Line portfolios make up Eaton's Global Energy Infrastructure Solutions Group, a market leader in electrical and mechanical infrastructure solutions for industrial and commercial applications. While our world-class products and solutions are what we are known for, it is our people that are at the core of our business. With over 5,000 employees around the world, we value the innovation, collaboration, and diverse perspectives that come from having a global team. Our products are installed in facilities around the world within the energy and industrial segments. For these harsh and hazardous markets, including oil and gas, LNG, chemical, power gen, mining, and water wastewater, our products are designed and certified to safely handle varying levels of explosive vapors and dusts, corrosion, moisture, extreme temperatures, vibration, and abuse. The Krauss-Heinz and B-Line legacy is rooted in these markets, where safety and reliability are critical requirements. The combined Krauss-Heinz series and B-Line series portfolio also provides comprehensive solutions for the commercial and institutional segment. Whether it is for buildings, hotels and apartments, hospitals, schools, or data centers, our commercial construction offering improves productivity, reduces complexity, and maximizes customer profit. To put it simply, our mission is to enhance customer value through innovative solutions that deliver safe, reliable, and efficient energy enablement at the lowest installed cost. We accomplish this through 4 core competencies: product safety and reliability. We excel at developing and manufacturing products that protect people and assets while maximizing uptime. Application expertise. We have a deep understanding of our customers' applications across our commercial support teams, coupled with strong customer relationships. Global solutions. Our breadth of portfolio is designed and certified to meet global specifications, and we have manufacturing and commercial support around the world to help serve global customers locally. And lastly, innovation. We are committed to introducing a continuous stream of new products that deliver productivity gains and operational value to customers across all our segments. Eaton's GEIS group boasts a robust manufacturing footprint, with competencies spanning casting and machining, stamping and forming, injection molding, additive manufacturing, potting, automation, digitization, and assembly. We also have state-of-the-art testing and validation labs, capable of conducting a wide variety of reliability tests, including hydropressure, NEMA IP, salt spray, thermal and outdoor aging, impact resistance, dust exposure, photometrics, and more. From North America to Europe, Asia Pacific, and Latin America, our global manufacturing locations and talented workforce of over 5,000 employees ensure that quality products are delivered consistently. Our industry-leading portfolio of low-voltage electrical and electromechanical solutions spans 7 platforms. 1. Power distribution, control, and connectivity. 2. Lighting. 3. Wire management. 4. Cable management. 5. Mechanical support. 6. Communications and security. 7. Process instrumentation and protection. The thousands of products within these platforms play a critical role in delivering safe and efficient energy enablement, and all are designed and manufactured to meet local codes, standards, and certifications. As we navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing energy landscape, Eaton's global energy infrastructure solutions remains a beacon of innovation and reliability. But we are more than just a product supplier. We are your partner. Energy is a fundamental part of our world, and it's our job to make it work better for you. With a focus on customer-centric solutions, manufacturing excellence, sustainability, and a commitment to safety and productivity, Eaton is shaping the future of energy management one solution at a time.